You know the word. It's right there on the tip of your tongue, but your brain just won't give it to you. Why does this happen? Welcome to Body Brain Decode, where we decode the hidden secrets of your mind and body. This frustrating moment has a name. It's called the tip of the tongue phenomenon, and it happens to everyone, even when you know the word perfectly. It feels like your brain is playing a cruel game with you, but there's actually a fascinating reason why this memory glitch occurs. When you try to recall a word, your brain searches through networks of connected memories stored in different regions, especially in your temporal lobe. Each word isn't stored in one place. It's scattered across multiple areas. The sound of the word, the meaning, the spelling, all stored separately. Your brain has to retrieve all these pieces and assemble them together in real time, which usually happens instantly without you even noticing. But sometimes, one piece gets stuck. You can access the meaning and maybe even the first letter, but the full word refuses to come through. This happens because the connection between the meaning and the sound of the word gets temporarily blocked, like a traffic jam in your neural pathways. Your brain knows the word exists. You can feel that it's there, which is why it's so frustrating. The metadata is accessible, but the actual word file is locked. Stress and fatigue make this worse. When you're tired or anxious, your prefrontal cortex, responsible for memory retrieval, works less efficiently. Age also plays a role. As we get older, the connections between neurons weaken slightly, making word retrieval slower and tip-of-the-tongue moments more common. Interestingly, trying harder usually doesn't help. The more you force it, the more you activate the wrong pathways, blocking the right one even further. The best solution is to stop trying. Distract yourself, think about something else, and the word will often pop up naturally when you're not actively searching. This happens because your brain continues searching in the background, and without the pressure, the blocked connection clears and the word surfaces. If this explained that annoying moment we all experience, hit subscribe for more brain science that makes sense of your everyday life.